You're man, Joey Sparks. That's two E's, no Y. You heard me. That's two E's, no Y. And in this video, we're gonna be unboxing another Fly Graphic tee. Thanks for stopping back once again. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button. We drop unboxing videos on t-shirts and sneakers. We also do video reactions on this channel. There's tons of content here I think you might enjoy. So hit the subscribe button, peek around, and if you enjoy something, hit the thumbs up for me, okay? You know me. I love my graphic tees. Matter of fact, kind of dealing with another one here, right? Kylo Ren and some of the new stormtroopers they tried to put us on us, right? Anyways, moving on. Super excited. I think I know which one this one is. Oh. Now you know my favorite thing about graphic t-shirts from my plug is when they take two of my favorite ideas and infuse them, right? And so then I love wearing them out in public and watching someone go, oh, I recognize that, right? So you thought it was going to be any other color than black? I swear black is my favorite apparel color. You put it in black, I want to wear it. I want to look like Batman, Darth Vader, or a ninja or something. So anyways, here we go. Bruh. Logan, you adamantium bitch. Oh boy. All right. So if you know, Deadpool and Wolverine are gonna be in the same film together. Deadpool 3, right? And I guess they have a love-hate relationship, right? Well, if you'll notice this almost like a arm wrestling handshake here. This comes from one of my favorite childhood movies, The Predator, right? The original one with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. Uh, what's his name? Apollo Creed's actor's name. Anyway, there's a scene where they haven't seen each other for a long time, and they give each other that, and they squeeze each other real hard on the muscle, and the camera zooms in. This is 80s. They're like, blood, guns, and fucking muscles, bro. Like steroided muscles. That's what all they wanted in the 80s, right? And big guns and bigger explosions, right? And so when they said what's up with their little handshake, they almost like squeezed to see who was gonna give up, right? And of course Arnold win because it's Arnold's film. Mac was his name in this film. Mac. No, it was Dylan. Dylan, you son of a bitch. And that's what he says when he sees him. You son of a bitch. And then they grip. Oh, it's classic, classic. And so for them to know that that Wolverine and Deadpool are about to be in this movie, and for them to hijack that with Deadpool's arm and Wolverine's arm, and instead of saying Dylan, it says Logan. And instead of you son of a bitch, you adamantium bitch. Right? I can't wait to wear this Jones. Shoot. Look at that pink in there. I got a pair of laces, pink laces and a pair of sneakers that I cannot wait to add this to the rotation and wear this summer. So, ooh. That does it again. That was another t-shirt unboxing. If you enjoyed the video, please hit it with a like. Tell me if you enjoyed the t-shirt. Matter of fact, do me one bigger. Are you excited for Deadpool 3, or have you seen the original Predator starring Arnold Schwarzenegger? Do you remember that handshake scene from the movie? If so, let me know in the comments, and then we can become friends in the comments, and then us as friends will battle anybody who disagrees us in them there comments. All right. Remember to stick around for all kinds of reactions on this channel. And if you enjoy it, tell a friend. Share it with your buddies. Okay? Do me that solid. All right, man. We'll see you on the next unboxing. Once again, I'm your host, Joey Sparks. Peace.